Hi, and welcome to Naga Masala Cooking Show. Today, we're going to make chickpea curry. Okay then, let's roll tape. Okay, to cook chickpea curry, you're going to need about 500 grams of chickpea. Now, the chickpea, you can buy them in supermarkets or any store, and they come in cans of about 400 grams. But once drained, there's about 200 and something grams in there. So you're going to need about 3 cans of that. And about 400 grams of potato, chopped like so. And the Naga Masala we're going to be cooking with today is WILD Naga Masala. When you're making chickpea curry, you're going to want a little bit spicy. You can make it with a mild one, like so, or a hot to extreme, but that's up to you. But today we're going to be cooking it with the wild. Okay, we've got the gas on medium flame. We're going to take the wild Naga Masala and we're going to pour this straight into the pan, like so. As you all know, or don't know, that one tub or cooks 1 kilo of ingredients. So what you're going to do, you want to take everything out, like so, put that pan one side, and you want to add, for this particular curry, like so, almost a tub of water and pour it in. Okay, so on medium flame, you want to cook the masala for about 5 to 10 minutes until it starts to boil, and then we just add the ingredients. Okay, so this has now been cooking for about just over 5 minutes. You can see it's all bubbling up on medium flame. Now what I'm going to do now is just add first the chickpeas and mix that in, and then just add the potatoes and just mix it all up in the pan. And this now is going to cook on medium flame for about 15 minutes. And you want to keep stirring every couple of minutes, just to make sure so it doesn't stick to the pan. I mean, this is a non-stick pan anyway, but just keep stirring every couple of minutes so you keep everything moving. And that's it. And that's your chickpea curry. So I'm going to be cooking this for about another 10-15 minutes. I'm going to come back so you can see the finished result. See you back soon. Okay, we are about 5-6 minutes into cooking already, and you can see here it's looking beautiful already, and it's not ready yet. It's still another about 5, maybe 7 minutes more of cooking before it's ready to eat. But as you can see here, one pot makes 1 kilo of ingredients without any hassle at all. In fact, if you were going just over 1 kilo, it will still entertain it. So, you know, these cooking sauces are amazing. Not only are they traditionally cooked, but they are actually concentrated, so we didn't actually water them down. But the actual water you have to add yourself. So when you want to buy these cooking sauces online, as it says on the website, you go to chilledirect.net, and the minimum order is 6. If you buy 7, you get the 8th for free. Anyway, so I'm going to put the lid back on here. Like I said, you have to keep stirring every few minutes so it doesn't stick to the pan. On low to medium flame, and I'll be back in another 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, it's now been a total of just over 12 minutes. This curry has been cooking, and as you can see, it's very much ready. And the only way you can find out if it's really ready is just by simply picking up a potato and just piercing it with a fork, like so, and you'll see how tender it is. So it's quite tender. You could still do with another 3-4 minutes of cooking, but it's pretty much ready to eat. And there you have it, folks. That's chickpea curry. That's how you make it with wild if you want to get the best results, because chickpea curry has to be quite spicy. It's a great dish for vegans as well, and also non-vegans as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's very easy to make. It's literally minutes. If you want to order online, go to chilidirect.net, and please like and subscribe to this video. Share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Until next time then. Ciao for now.